lovelies, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited because I'll be unboxing my RGB LED ring light with you all today with power bank. A little story about this ring light. My birthday was last week, December 17th. On every of my birthdays, I usually make it a habit of getting a gift for myself. So for this year, I had 3 wishes. That is to get a MacBook Pro, a ring light, and a power bank to power the ring light. You know, if you are living in Nigeria, you will understand that there is a need for you to have a power bank. The reason why I got this ring light, it has been on my mind for so long, but I didn't really see a need to get a ring light. Because this particular day I made a beautiful dress for myself and I needed to record a video of the dress. You know, when you have kids around and you just have to do whatever you do at any slightest opportunity that you have. So when my kids were asleep, so I quickly dressed up, set up my chairs and everything, gradually set up my camera so that let me make the video. So when I finished dressing up and I set up my camera, and that's how the weather got so cloudy and everywhere was so dark. There was no light and I was already dressed up. So I got so discouraged because I was like, after dressing up and after all the paparazzi, am I going to remove everything? So I just had to do the video like that. But I didn't like the outcome of the video because it was not so sharp the way I usually like my videos to be. Because I normally use natural lights for all my videos, all my sewing tutorials. I make use of natural light. So that day I said it in my mind that this is overdue, that I need to get a ring light finally. And you know, I didn't really see the need to get the ring light because, you know, I usually share my tutorials on Facebook and other platforms alone. I didn't have a YouTube channel. But when I started my YouTube channel, you know, I had to be uploading videos constantly. So there were times that if I want to record a sewing tutorial, my tripod won't be so long enough for me to record the tutorial. I'll have to carry chair, double the chair, then put the tripod on it so that it will suffice for what I want to use it for. So I said, with these YouTube tutorials now, I just need to get a ring light. For my birthday, I was able to get an extra power bank, as you can see there, and a ring light. Although I was unable to get the MacBook Pro due to some constraints, but I will definitely save up for it, and hopefully and prayerfully next year I'll be able to get that because my laptop got spoiled. I've been using the laptop for like more than 6 years. Yes, I really know how to maintain my gadgets like that. So I've been using the laptop for more than 6 years, and when it got spoiled, I knew that I needed to get another one. So I'll definitely get another one by God's grace. So I'll save up for it. But I'm so excited that at last I was able to get my ring light and an extra power bank. So it's a win for me. So guys, this is my ring light. As you can see, I'm super excited. So this is the power bank. It was delivered to me by my delivery agent. So both the power bank and the ring light got delivered to me. So this ring light is a 14 inches ring light. So let's get right into the unboxing. So we need to cut off all this packaging. So this ring light came with a tripod. So I'm cutting off the packaging for the tripod now. So this is the tripod. So this is the tripod. So you just open it like this and it will stand. Can you see? So this is it. So after you open the tripod like this, there is a screw here that is, the screw is adjustable for you to pull this up. Can you see? So it's for you to pull the pole up, then you can tighten it when you get to. So just tighten the screw so that it won't go down again. So it's okay like this for me, and I've tightened the screw. So let me pull this up. So you can see there's another screw here again. Can you see? So there's another screw here again. This is for this pole. You can see how long it is. So once it gets to the limit that you want, then you just tighten the screw, this screw that is here. So you just tighten it up. You can see that because I've not tightened up the screw, that is why it fell down. So once I tighten the screw, it will see that it will stand. You can see I've tightened the screw. You can see that it's not dropping again. So this is screw one. This is the second screw for this pole, for this particular pole. You can see the second screw. So I tightened it as well. And this is the third screw for this particular pole. And this is the stand on the floor. So this is longer than this, but this height is fine for me. So let's open up the lights. I want to open up the lights now to see what is inside. Wow. New ring light equals to more sewing tutorials, and I'm so excited about that. So this is what I found there. Okay, so it came with 3 phone holders, just exactly as I ordered it. This is the stand for the phone holders. I don't know what this is yet. I'll figure it out. So it came with a remote. Can you see? So this is the remote. Then okay, so this is the adapter for the ring light. Then this is the USB mount. So that means it can use power bank. This is the lights. So I don't know what this is yet, but I'll figure it out. I think it's for this light, to connect the lights to the tripod stand. So let me cut it off and bring it out. So this is what I have there. So you can see that it has screw here as well for unlocking and locking. So there is one hole here, I think. So it's for this. Then this is the back. You can see the back of the ring light. So this is the back. Then you can see where we are going to put our phone holder. You can see for these 3 phone holders. So let's get right into it. This part is going into the bottom part of the ring light. So you just screw it to it like this. So just roll it around like this, so it is keyed. Then this part is for adjusting. There is a Boris inside this thing, so it's for making it. So let me just put it like this. Okay, so it's okay like this. Then I will tighten it. So can you see? So I tightened this thing. So it's for adjusting the Boris in this thing. So this part will be going into our tripod. Roll it round like this. It is keyed. This is too long, so I will adjust it to come down to my level. So I think this is okay. So the next thing is to fix these phone holders. So this part will be going into the lights. So we are almost through. Then this part will be going into. Okay, so you unscrew it. So as you can see, so you just press it down. You can see it has entered. Then you tighten it. So that is the way you fix the remaining ones as well. So I need just one for now. So let me remove this. I've fixed the center one. So this thing is adjustable. So just pull it like this. Can you see? So you just pull it this way. Let me unscrew this part. Our cord. This is where we are going to put our phone for recording. So this part is adjustable. Can you see? So you just put in your phone. You adjust it any way you like. So you can do it like this. Can you see? Or you do it like this, and it is all ready. So let's quickly unbox our power bank, because that's what we are going to use to power it. So this is the power bank. This is actually my second power bank. This is the first one, my personal power bank. I use it to charge anything chargeable. I used to charge my fan, my rechargeable fan, my phones. It has been helpful. So if you are in Nigeria, you will know that you definitely need to have a power bank. So I decided to get another product of the power bank. You know, I like to explore. So this is also a 20,000 mAh power bank. Can you see? So this is the cord that it came with. I have longer cords, so I don't need this. So this is the power bank. Can you see? The 20,000 mAh power bank. It has a touch lights. So okay, so it just clicked in my mind now that I can actually use my charger and connect the part that has a USB for this ring light, that I can actually connect it to my charger. So it just clicked now, so that I can connect it directly to light if there is light, if I don't want to use power bank. So let me connect it directly to light now and test it. So you can either make use of the remote or you can on it here. So you can see the power button here, so you just press it. So this is the RGB light. You can increase the light. There is plus sign and there is minus sign. So if you want to increase the light, just press the plus sign. Can you see? So this is the RGB light. Then the other light. So this is the white light. Then this is okay. So this is the yellow light. So you can see the color yellow there. So this is a dim light, a dim yellow light. Okay, it's a wireless remote. So once you press it, it will automatically work with your adapter. With this adapter, once it is plugged into the lights. Okay, let me reduce the lights. So you can see, you can reduce the lights, can dim the lights to the barest minimum, and you can increase the lights. Can you see? So this is the white lights. I'm making use of the remote, so I can switch off the lights. Can you see the way it is after switching off? Let me switch it on. Wow, so I'm so excited. I'm super happy. So guys, this is everything you need to know about this ring light. So it is super easy to set it up. So you can see this is not even the white light. So I'm so excited to finally get it. So I want to test it with my power bank now. So let me switch it off and connect it to the power bank. So guys, this is it with my power bank. So let me power it on with my remote. Can you see? So I'm super excited. So if there is light, if there is no light, I don't have anything to worry about. My power bank got me covered. So you can use it anyhow you want. If you found value in this video, please click on the subscribe button and be a part of this channel. So I'll be filming more sewing tutorials on this channel. I don't have anything to worry about now. And please give this video a thumbs up, like this video so that more people can get to see